Now we will learn word ending in full.
Okay. Okay.
Let us start.
Okay.
Beautiful,
Beautiful.
doubtful,
Doubtful.
forceful,
Forceful.
powerful,
Powerful.
grateful,
Grateful.
merryful,
Merryful.
fruitful,
Fruitful.
dutiful,
Beautiful.
neglectful,
Neglectful.
fatful,
Faithful.
harmful,
Artful.
harmful,
Harmful.
peaceful,
Peaceful.
graceful,
Graceful.
plentiful,
Plentiful.
skillful,
Skillful.
successful,
Successful.
unsuccessful,
Unsuccessful.
thoughtful,
Thoughtful.
truthful,
Truthful.
unlawful,
Unlawful.
lawful,
Lawful.
careful,
Careful.
doubtful,
Doubtful.
delightful,
Delightful.
fearful,
Fearful.
forgetful,
Forgetful.
helpful,
Helpful.
hopeful,
Hopeful.
painful,
Painful.
thankful,
Thankful.
useful,
Useful.
useful,
Useful.
wonderful,
Wonderful.
sorrowful,
Sorrowful.
wonderful,
Wonderful.
handful,
Handful.
cheerful,
Cheerful.
colorful,
Colorful.
eightful,
Hateful.
aimful,
Hateful.
backwful,
Bashful.
basketful,
Basketful.
blissful,
Blissful.
boastful,
Boastful.
bottleful,
Wonderful.
needful,
Needful.
unskillful,
Unskillful.
uneventful,
Uneventful.
conflictful,
Conflictful.
not conflict, conflictful,
Conflictful.
disgraceful,
Disgraceful.
disrespectful,
Disrespectful.
distasteful,
Distasteful.
distrustful,
Distrustful.
dreamful,
Dreamful.
effortful,
Adorable.
eventful,
Eventful.
hateful,
Hateful.
houseful,
Household.
meaningful,
Meaningful.
prayerful,
Prayerful.
regretful,
Regretful.
shameful,
Shameful.
senseful,
Senseful.
ultra powerful,
Ultra-powerful.
witful,
Grateful.
lawful.
Lawful.
Now Abba will tell 10 words ending in full. Start Abba.
Beautiful, powerful, delightful, hateful, hateful, harmful, harmful, backwful, beautiful, basketful, lawful, unlawful.
Okay. Now Moon will tell 10 words ending in full.
Beautiful, fruitful, handful, basketful, beautiful, houseful, wonderful, aimful.
Okay. Now we will learn word ending in fold.
Okay?
We learn word ending in
Full.
fold. Let us start.
Okay?
Hundredfold,
Hundredfold,
millionfold,
millionfold,
severalfold,
severalfold,
sevenfold,
sevenfold,
eightfold,
eightfold,
centerfold,
centerfold,
blindfold,
blindfold,
multifold,
multifold,
interfold,
interfold,
sheepfold,
sheepfold,
manifold,
manifold,
fourfold,
fourfold,
twofold,
twofold,
onefold,
onefold,
tenfold,
tenfold,
ifold,
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 sixfold,
sixfold,
tenfold,
tenfold,
unfold,
unfold,
refold.
refold.
Now we will learn word ending in N or En.
Okay.
Let us start.
Okay.
Give plus N,
Given.
the die plus N,
Given.
bright plus N,
Brighten.
forgive plus N,
Forget
Correct. Fright plus en,
Frightened.
mistake plus n,
Mistaken.
unfall plus en,
Unfallen.
ungotten,
Ungotten.
unloosen,
Unloosen.
unproven,
Unproven.
unchosen,
Unchosen.
unspoken,
Unspoken.
unwritten,
Unwritten.
untrodden,
Untrodden.
befallen,
Befallen.
begotten,
Begotten.
beholden,
Beholden.
bemadden,
Bebedden.
broaden,
Rodden.
cheapen,
Chippen.
freshen,
Freedom.
hearten,
Harden.
rooten,
Rooted.
shorten,
Shorten.
smarten,
Smarten.
stolen,
Stolen.
sweeten,
Sweeten.
tighten,
Tighten.
uneaten,
Uneaten.
retain,
Retain.
beaten,
Beaten.
broken,
Broken.
chosen,
Chosen.
dampen,
Dampen.
darken,
Darken.
deepen,
Deepen.
fallen,
Fallen.
garden,
Garden.
wooden,
Wooden.
hidden,
Hidden.
woolen,
Woolen.
frozen,
Frozen.
whiten,
Whiten.
lichen,
Liken.
reapen,
Ribbon.
taken,
Taken.
widen.
Widen.
Okay.